Handmade weaving is a traditional craft that has been practiced for centuries. It is also a big industry in Taizhou. It has been applied for as an intangible cultural heritage item. As a native of Taizhou, Frank ended his 10-year fishing career and began to develop, produce and sell raffia woven fabrics. Medmate controls from raw materials, selects new and eco-friendly materials, capture the unique beauty and cultural significance of handmade weaving, and uses new technology to weave more woven fabrics that meet international standards. To adapt to the use of more industries, Medmate team create 30 to 50 new patterns every year to meet different needs. All the goods are inspected strictly before shipping. The fabrics are used for making seat cushions, outdoor cushions, table mats, table runners, and other decorations. Wish you and your family be happy, healthy and wealthy. Meet Medmate.